And what kind of outcomes are you seeing with your clients from those efforts in financial services?
If I look at customer experience, productivity, and sort of risk reduction, and that maybe take each of those individually. So customer experience, we've worked on a project with a very large insurer that helped them automate their online channel using Blue Prism and some other technologies at the front end as well, and enabled them to go from pretty poor customer experience, in part driven by nearly 0% STP, to in a matter of weeks, and in that particular case about 10 weeks, nearly 100% STP. And so that kind of customer experience benefit is fantastic. From a productivity perspective, I mean, to take the EY example, nearly 3 million hours of employee time saved. And EY as an organisation continues to grow significantly. And that really takes the pressure off our people, enables them to focus first and foremost on our clients, but also sort of manage our risk and risk as well. Many financial services organisations have delivered some pretty significant productivity benefits. An interesting shift for us potentially over the last sort of year or so is the amount of focus purely on cost reduction diminishing somewhat, and really sort of freeing up employees to be much more focused on customer experience, much more focused on managing risk, which is clearly very positive as well.
Fantastic. And just very briefly, outside of financial services, do you see adoption in other industries and verticals?
I mean, we see financial services was clearly the front runner in sort of globally in many regards. There are clearly some scale initiatives running and about to commence. The speed with which the market has broadened to outside of financial services has been pretty rapid. In some cases, learning some lessons from the financial services industry. So for us, service industries, where, for example, they have large shared service centres, is white hot at the moment. Globally, we have a number of very significant Blue Prism robotics partnerships, and that's also true in sort of the region that I'm responsible for leading, Asia Pacific as well. And the benefits are clear. Significant productivity benefits, playing a critical part in customer experience improvement and improving control as well.